Hey guys, Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called InboxDollars, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit, right? Or is this a big waste of time? Let's check it out. Can you really make money with this website? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good. Some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out InboxDollars to find out if this is a good way for you to make money, or maybe there are better ways out there, all right? Now, InboxDollars is a very well-known GPT website. It's been around for a very long time, and you can get paid to do certain tasks on this website, okay? Now, the only problem with InboxDollars is it's only available in the US, all right? So you've got to be 18 years old and be based in the States. Otherwise, you can't access the website. But don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to share with you another great strategy for you to generate some big income, okay? Now, InboxDollars, once you log in here, you can create an account through Google, Apple, or with email, right? And mainly there are three big ways to make money, and it's basically taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, and playing video games. It's basically as simple as it mentions right here. Now with the surveys, once you log in, you're going to get access to quite a few surveys. They pay in between 25 cents to $1 per survey. But here's the big problem, right? A lot of the times you're going to get disqualified for a lot of surveys. Sometimes you can get through the surveys, but you always have to take something called a pre-qualification questionnaire for all surveys, right? But strangely, sometimes the system, it just disqualifies you straight away. It really just depends, I think, on your luck sometimes, and depending on the season that they're going through. Sometimes they actually allow you to take more surveys than they don't. But sometimes you just get disqualified for a lot of surveys. So you just kind of have to go through that. And unfortunately, not a lot of them will pay you $1. A lot of them kind of hover between 25 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, but it's real money and it doesn't take that much time. Some surveys will take 5 minutes, some will take 10, 15 minutes. So in an hour, usually, you can expect to earn anywhere from, I would say, between $2 and $3 for just taking surveys alone, okay? That's not too bad for something that's 100% free, okay? So you can check out the survey taking section, and there are a lot of surveys, which is nice. That's the nice thing about InboxDollars. Another thing that you can do is you can play games, okay? So they've got a lot of different games that you can play, and they do pay out quite a lot, right? This is basically called downloading offers, right? So if you're playing, for example, Monkey Bubble Shooter or Mahjong Solitaire, right? The way that it works is they will have a specific reward based on the milestone that you hit in the game. So if you reach level 10, they'll give you a small bonus. If you reach level 30, they'll give you another bonus. If you reach level 100, then they might pay out quite a lot. They might pay out $50, right? Some of these offers can go into the hundreds, but unfortunately, it's going to take a lot of work and a long time for you to hit some of these milestones, because for some of them you have to hit level 200, and that might take you a few weeks if even for you to get there, because a lot of it has to do with your skills, right? So if you don't have a good skill of reaching a higher level, then unfortunately you're not going to really make that kind of income. But that is definitely something that's available, all right? Another thing that's really cool about InboxDollars is their cashback system. So what I would recommend is, if you're going to be doing shopping, definitely check out their cashback section before you do shopping, because you might find some things where you can actually make a little bit of savings and make a little bit of money back, okay? Now, the other thing that is pretty new with them is their grocery cash reward system. So you can actually update your receipts that you make from shopping, and you will literally get cash back. Sometimes you get back a few dollars, right, from just doing your regular shopping. So I think that with InboxDollars, the nice thing about it is if you use everything at the same time, it can be pretty good. It can save you a lot of money, and it can actually help you to make some money. All right. Unfortunately, the game playing part isn't going to be suitable for everybody, because not everybody's good at playing games, right? But you can make quite a lot of money playing their gaming offers, right? So I think for most people, it would be definitely the paid surveys. Again, $2 to $3 per hour on average you can expect, right? And then a bit of cash back, and definitely uploading your receipts after you've done your shopping, okay? So all in all, not too bad for a GPT website. Now, how much can you actually withdraw? Okay, now the nice thing about InboxDollars is when you first sign up, they give you a $5 bonus, right? You can just keep it right there. The problem though is their threshold is actually really high for a GPT website. So most GPT websites out there, you know, the withdrawal threshold is $5 only, okay? But with InboxDollars, it's $15. So it's going to take you a little bit of time to get to $15, okay? So if you're spending, you know, 1 or 2 hours every single day filling out the surveys, that will probably take you, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe a week for you to hit the threshold, okay? If you're taking a lot of action, and then of course if you're uploading receipts and, you know, maybe you're playing a few games here and there, it might, you know, allow you to make some money a little bit quicker, okay? But the nice thing is that you can withdraw money through PayPal and through, you know, some of the major gift cards out there, you know, like Amazon and Google Play and things like that, okay? So definitely a cool little website to check out. The problem is you must be based in the US, okay? But they've been around a long time. They are legitimate. And they're definitely, I would say, one of the higher paying GPT websites out there, because if you do everything, so if you take their surveys, you download their offers, you play their video games, and, you know, you do the cashback shopping, I would say that you could probably make, you know, between, you know, $1 and $5 a day. Okay, maybe a little bit more depending on how much time you spend on this. So if you do the math on that, it could be $100, $150, even $200 per month. Okay, now look, it's not going to break the bank, right? Because GPT websites aren't designed to make you rich. It's not designed to help you leave your full-time job or anything like that. But it's a free website. You're not really doing anything. It's not a high skill kind of website. It's free. So, you know, for an extra $100 to $200 a month, as long as you're using the website regularly, I think it's not bad. Okay, so if you want to check out InboxDollars, just head over to InboxDollars.com. And I think it's definitely one of the better GPT websites. The only problem is it's only available for Americans based in the US. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're interested in making money, look, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, okay? But out of all the good strategies, there's one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary, and if you would like to check it out, I teach it for free in my free masterclass. Just click the link right at the bottom, and you can access that if you would like to check it out, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of InboxDollars today. I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.